Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be an exciting video. I'm gonna show you guys my hometown here in Jimenez. I'm gonna take you guys to where I went to school, and I'm gonna show you guys where we hang out and, you know, eat with friends. I'm here with my good friend, my childhood friend, Aldrickson. He's in the camera right now. He's gonna help me out film today and explore our hometown here in Jimenez. So let's go. When I was young and my mom and dad would go to work or somewhere else and could not take me and my sister to school, we would wait in the highway where we live and ride a tricycle, because that's the only way of transportation here in Jimenez, or at least in the province side of the Philippines. Alright guys, so we are here at my preschool here in Victorious Christian School. This is where I went for nursery and Kinder 1 and Kinder 2, and a lot has changed. Now they have grade 1 all the way to 11th grade. They have this little gazebo here now. Before it used to be a lot of mango trees and cornfields. A lot has changed and improved for the better, and it looks nice actually. Right now they're having a graduation practice, I guess, because usually before in the Philippines, graduation usually happens in March. They go to school back in June. So they still haven't changed the whole rule that we go to school in August and ends in May. This is it. This is where I went to preschool, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so we're about to head to my elementary school here, a few blocks away. We're done here, so let's go. Only in the Philippines.
Video. Bye-bye, boss.
Man, only in the Philippines, man. You hear all kinds of types of horn sound here. Alright guys, so we made it here at my elementary school. This is where I went from 1st grade to 6th grade here in Jimenez Central School. And I'm gonna show you guys where my classroom is, so let's go. Saan na ate? Langka.
Bulad ba yun? Langka, parisan bulad.
Saan yung lumpia te?
5.
5? Dua lang te? Salamat te! Sige. Dami.
Ate.
Just having a little quick snack here. Actually, this is my 1st grade classroom, and right beside that is my 2nd grade classroom. But you know, a lot has changed in 18 years. Seems like a lot of years. Actually, they expanded this one right here to now it's like this far now. This used to be our playground. That slide's still there. But all this new stuff over here, they just added that one. All right, so the kids just got done with their break time. They're in class right now. I was gonna walk around over there, but I don't want to interrupt the classroom. Actually, I'm just gonna tell you guys where I went to 3rd grade. So that way is where I went to 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, and 6th grade is that way. And that's our main stage over here. Right there, what you guys see in the middle is our flag. And every morning, I remember every morning we would have a flag ceremony, and in the afternoon we would have another flag retreat, you know. So like flag ceremony is like where we put the flag down, so later on that flag is going down. It's what we call flag retreat. A little background on when I used to go to school. Here in the Philippines, we go to school for the whole day for all of the subjects, not like us in the US that we have A days and B days kind of split, you know, like 4 subjects in one day, then the next day another 4 subjects. In here we actually have all the subjects taught in the whole day. So we start at 7 a.m. in the morning, then we have flag ceremony, what I said earlier, at 7:30. Then we go to our class and we stay there for the whole day. Actually at 12 p.m. we take a lunch break, and some people go home, and some people bring their lunch if they live far away, and come back at 1 p.m. After that, around 4:30, we'll have flag retreat, and everybody leaves at 5 p.m. We just got done droning school. About to head to my friend's house and grab some lunch real quick. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so when we were kids, we would go to like places over here that sells fishbowl, bukche, and tinai, and with all my friends, and we would dip it in all these sauces over here. It's really good. And if you guys come here in the Philippines, make sure you go find one of these people over here, and they'll hook you up, man. They got the best fishbowl and bukche and tinai in town, so make sure you go find them and tell them that I sent you so you can get a discount. Man, this is really good, man. Alright guys, so what you guys saw is our gymnasium here in Jimenez. This is where all the events. Right now they're having like a women's event and women's thing going on over there, so there's a lot of people. That's why you see there's a lot of vendors and motorcycle here. But anyway, we're about to head to my friend's house. We just stopped by to go try some food that I've been wanting to try for the longest, because you know, we don't have that there in the States. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Come home, babe.
This is my friend Rachel. We went to the same elementary, diba? Yeah, elementary. And she happened to see me walking down the street because, like I said earlier, they're having like a women's event going on in the gymnasium. So she saw me, so she said, "What's up?" Say hi to the vlog. This is one of the oldest house here in the Philippines. This is what it looks like back then. This is actually a heritage house, and this is original. Still walking to my friend's house. Let's go. Hey! Hey, my friend! Wait,
Grabe, kaon ka on.
Married man, it's a married man.
Susudan to, Bird. Ada dah sudan. Paklay. Bicol Express. Pakbet. Chapsoy. Pansit. Fried chicken. And ano? Binagungan.
Binagungan.
Oh, binagungan na.
Kuya, yung tindero doon ay.
Among specialty dre. Ano siya among specialty? Balbacoa.
Wow!
Woo! Love ya, Bird.
Gabon niya kayo eh. Kumo ka, Bird?
Mo.
Sa English, balbagwa, Bird.
Paulang.
So we made it here at my friend, what we call Carinderia, which is like a little small restaurant. It's not really like a big, but they got like a lot of food here. Actually, this is one of my childhood friends also. We used to go to the same elementary school, kindergarten, and high school. It's good to see a good old friend. Anyway, we're about to grab some lunch real quick. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so we just got done eating lunch. We're about to head to my friend's house. We're gonna change some shirts and battery, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. We just got done changing some clothes and charging all our batteries. We're about to head to my high school in a few blocks, so let's go. At my cousin's house right now. He doesn't know that I'm here. Hey, yo! Kumusta? Kumusta go? Hey.
Kamos kami, Bis.
Kasi amot lid.
Turong lunes.
Ay.
Yan.
Ay, papa. Go. Bawa na, papa. Alright guys, we're about to go where I went to high school for a little bit in style. This is where I went to high school for a little bit.
JBI.
In Jimenez Institute. I only went here for a month and a few weeks because I had to move to Tennessee. This is actually our old high school, but it's still going. Anyway, we're about to go inside. I'll show you guys the room where my classroom is.
Take a little sneak peek.
Alright guys, this is my classroom. When we're here in JBI, this is the classroom where I met some new friends. Like I said earlier, I only went here for a month and a few weeks because we had to move to the US around September. School starts in June, July, August. 3 months, no? Oh yeah, correction. I actually went here for like 2 months and a few weeks. 2 months and a few weeks. Kaya atong Davao. I can't really call this my alma mater because I didn't finish high school here. But you know, I wish I would have finished high school here to kind of get the experience of going to high school over here. At that time, there was a lot of activities that I wanted to join. Like they do intramurals over here. I wanted to do that because you know every what that is every classroom against any I divide every my section against other sections. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I actually met some new friends. Come here guys. Please, mo. This is my new friends over here. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Ito
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.